Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Budget and Accounts. In this presentation, we will learn about the budgets. After this presentation, you will be able to define budget and types of budget. You will also be able to prepare a simple budget for labor, material and sales. The term budget is derived from French word baguette, which means leather bag. It is an action of the organization, department, prepared in terms of money. It is a statement of expected income and expenditure under given operating conditions and time frame. It is a quantified action plan of future activities and also known as quantitative blueprint of the activities. To achieve the organizational goal, management draw out plans for business through efficient planning of activities. These activities are synchronized by future action plan and commonly referred as budget. Numerous definitions are given to budget. We'll see a definition given by ICMA, that is Institute of Cost and Management Accountants. A budget is a quantitative statement for a defined period of time which may include planned revenues, expenses, assets, liabilities and cash flows. A budget provides a focus for the organizations, aids in the coordination of activities and facilitates control. Budgets are classified according to function, flexibility and time. Based on function, they are sales budget, research and development budget, cash budget, master budget and production budget. Also, there is a production cost budget. Based on flexibility, they are fixed budget or flexible budget. Based on time, they are short-term budget or long-term budget. Sales budget. It is very important budget. All other budgets are mostly occurring due to sales budget. Production, selling, labor budgets are directly affected by sales budget. Preparation of sales budget requires forecasting, data and knowledge of present situation in the industry, including future prediction. Sales budget predicts the requirement of sale, that is units to be produced for future sale. According to that, the amount of materials required, the number of labors required are decided. Hence, production, selling and labor budgets are directly dependent on sales budget. While preparing a sales budget, knowledge of present situation, market demand, future market demand and factors such as imports or exports are very essential. Let's prepare a sample sales budget for year 2020-21 for ABC Corporation Limited. Sales unit forecasted based on the predictions, experience. In quarter 1, they require 300 units. In the quarter 2, 500 units are required. Quarter 3, 600 units are required. In quarter 4, 200 units are required. they have a yearly prediction of 1600 units. Now we can see that there is a variation in the demand or forecast. In the first quarter it is 300, in third quarter it is maximum, that is 600, but it has drastically reduced to 200 units in the fourth quarter. These predictions or forecasts are done as per the requirement. There are certain articles, certain items which are in high demand during a particular period but having very low demand in one duration. For an example, umbrellas are in high demand during rains, but in rest of the months there is no demand for umbrella. So this demand depends on what item it is, in which period it is required. It also depends on export and import. Sometimes the demand may not be in the local market, but there is a high demand in international market, so you can export this. Price per unit, that is the cost or plus your profit, is derived as, for the first quarter it is 10 rupees, second quarter 12 rupees, third quarter 14 rupees, and fourth quarter 10 rupees. Now, the price also depends on the demand, the volume you are producing, so it cannot be a fixed entity. It is a fluctuating entity for most of the items. Let's see the gross sale. In the first quarter, the gross sale will be of 3000 rupees, which is 300 unit multiplied by cost of 1 unit, that is 10 rupees, so 3000. For quarter 2, it is 6000 rupees, 500 units, 12 rupees each. Third quarter, 8400 rupees, 600 units at the price of 14 rupees. Fourth quarter, 200 units at the price of 10 rupees, so 2000. The total gross sale is 19,400 rupees. There is a discount applicable at the rate of 2%. So the discount amount for first quarter is 60 rupees. 2% of 3000 is 60. In second quarter it will be 120 rupees. 2% of 6000. Third quarter 168 rupees. 2% of 8400 rupees. And for the fourth quarter 40 rupees, that is 2% of 2000. Total net sales in the first quarter it will be 3000 minus discount, so 2940. Second quarter 6000 minus discount 120, so 5880. For the third quarter 8400 minus discount 8232. For the final quarter 2000 minus discount 40, that is 1960 rupees. So the total sales budget is 19,012 rupees for the year 2020-21. Production budget. It quantifies the number of units to be produced to meet the sales budget forecast. Units to be produced are calculated as sales units as per forecast plus desired closing inventory minus beginning inventory. Let's see an example. Sales forecasted in sales budget as 5000 units. Available for finished item at the beginning 300 units. Inventory required for finished item at the end 600 units. That means, as per the forecast, you require to make 5000 units. At the beginning, you are already having 300 units, but After the closing, you need to leave 600 units. So the number of units to be produced will be equals to 5000 units as per the forecast plus 600 units which has to be left after the period minus 300 units which is already there as a beginning inventory. So you require inventory for 5300 units. Production cost budget. It shows the cost required for purchasing the production units. In simple words, it summarizes the material budget, labor budget, and factory overhead budget. Material budget. It is the cost of materials used in production and purchase cost of the materials. It helps to develop purchase and delivery schedule, procurement schedule of materials to meet production target. Labor budget. It estimates the laborers required as per category, that is skilled, semi-skilled, unskilled, to meet the production target. It also specifies the wages of laborers according to grade and the training required. Overhead budget. It estimates the overheads in account and other departments to meet the forecasted demand. Let's prepare a labor budget for year 2020-21 for ABC Corporation Limited for the same data which we had used in sales budget. So sales units as per the forecast, quarter 1 300, quarter 2 500, quarter 3 600, quarter 4 200. Direct labor hours per unit. So 2 laborers hours are required to produce 1 unit. So this will be a fixed quantity. Total required direct labor hours to produce 300 units. If it takes 2 hours to produce 1 unit, it will take 300 into 2, 600 hours for producing 300 units. Simultaneously, 1000 hours for 500 units, 1200 hours for 600 units, and 400 hours for 200 units. Direct labor cost per hour is rupees 700. So total direct labor cost for first quarter will be 600 hours into 700, that is 4,20,000. For the quarter 2 it will be 1000 hours into 700 rupees per hour, so that is 7 lakhs. For third quarter 1200 hours at the rate of 700 rupees, 8,40,000, and for quarter 4 it will be 400 hours multiplied by 700 rupees per hour, 2,80,000. So the total labor budget for the financial year 2020-21 to the ABC Corporation Limited will be 22,40,000. Let's prepare the material budget for financial year 2020-21 for ABC Corporation Limited. Material required: concrete will be measured in cubic meter, steel in ton. Total material uses or requirement: concrete 1500 cubic meter, steel 3 ton. Desired closing stock, that means material has to be left after this period: concrete 0, steel 1 ton. Material stock available, that means the quantity of material available at the beginning 0 as concrete and half ton steel is available. Now we'll work out materials required to purchase, the quantity of material we need to purchase. Total quantity of concrete required 1500 cubic meter. Stock to be left 0. Stock available 0. So 1500 plus 0 minus 0, that is 1500 cubic meter. Steel, 3 ton steels required, 1 ton steel to be left as a stock, so 3 plus 1. Half ton steel is available at the beginning, so minus 5.5. So total steel required to be purchased is 3 ton plus 1 ton which has to be left minus half ton which is available, so that is 3.5 ton. Now purchase price per unit, concrete is available at a cost of rupees 6,000 per meter cube and steel at a rate of 45,000 per ton. The total material purchase cost for concrete 1500 cubic meter multiplied by 6,000, 90 lakhs. Steel 3.5 ton at the rate of 45,000, 1,57,500. So the total material budget required, or the total material budget to ABC Corporation Limited for financial year 2020-21 is concrete cost plus steel cost, that is the total cost of the material, and it is 91,15,750 rupees. Fixed budget. A fixed budget is prepared for fixed output under stable, that is fixed conditions. It is also known as static budget as it does not incorporate any changes during the activity period. It is prepared considering no change will occur during the period of activities. A budget which is designed to remain unchanged irrespective of the level of the activities attained is the definition given by ICMA. Hence, a fixed budget is a rigid kind of budget. The fixed budget is not very useful as conditions go on changing. The budget is suitable for rigid or repeated type of activities where forecasting for demand, material and labor cost can be done very accurately. It does not make any difference between fixed, semi-variable and variable costs and does not provide any space for alteration in the budget figures as a result of change in the cost due to change in the level of activities. Flexible budget. It is a dynamic budget and designed to change in relation to the level of activity attained. Flexible budgets are useful for planning, and accurate flexible budgets are used for the purpose of control. It is flexible and more practical as due considerations are given to accommodate the changes at various levels of activities. Flexible budget is very useful when business is new and difficult to forecast, when the organization is suffering from shortage of material, labor or fund, where change in fashion and technology is highly obvious, where the quantum of sales cannot be predicted, depends on export. Short-term budget. It covers a period of 3 months to a year. The period selected shall be enough to complete all the activities and the same must coincide with financial accounting period for performance evaluation. They are more specific than long-term budget and mostly prepared in monetary unit, that is in terms of money. Example, budget allocated for production of umbrella, or a student allocate monthly pocket money to his expenses such as recreation, traveling, watching movie, etc. Long-term budget. Long-term budgets are prepared for a period of 3 to 10 years, considering long-term projections and indicates long-term planning of an organization. They are mostly prepared in physical quantities than monetary values. Happy learning.